When I found out that Paul Simon and his wife, Edie Brickell, wanted to be on there, would consider being on the show if they could work it into their schedule, I said, that's wonderful. And then I got to wind up singing with them, so that made it even better.
In the twilight glow, I see